Good morning, 𝐶𝐞𝐚𝐫𝐧𝐢.
Good morning, Agrim. Welcome to my shop. What would you like to buy today?
I want to buy this Pokemon toy. How much does it cost?
275.
Okay, here is rupees 500.
Thank you. Let's find out how much change I should give you. Now I will put the note of 500 into hundreds place. Tens and ones are empty. Now ones will borrow from tens, but tens is empty. Now the tens will borrow from hundreds. Now I will exchange 500 into 5 notes of hundreds. Now I have 5 notes of hundreds. I will keep 5 notes of 100 in hundreds place. Again exchange 100 into in one note of 50, 2 notes of 20, and 1 note of 10. Now I will again exchange 10. Now I will take 1 note of 5, 2 notes of 2, and 1 note of 1. From ones I have to take out 5 rupees. From tens I have to take out 70 rupees. 50 plus 20 equals to 70. Now I have to take out 200. The total change is 225. Here is your change and your toy.
Thank you, shopkeeper. 100, 200, 220, 222, 224, 25. Yes, it's correct.
Here is your Pokemon toy.
Thank you, shopkeeper. I am happy with my Pokemon toy and my chains.
Come again later.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Namaste, shopkeeper Qian-Sing.
Namaste, Sandvi. Welcome to my shop. What would you like to buy today?
I want this big, beautiful toy car. How much does it cost?
It cost 468.
Okay, here is rupees 1000.
Now I will keep this note of 1000 in the place 1000. Now I will exchange 1 note of hundreds into 1 note of 50, 2 notes of 20, and 1 note of 10. Now again I will exchange 1 note of 10. 10 into 1 note of 5, 2 notes of 2, and 1 note of 1. Now I will take out 468. Now I will take 8 rupees, and now I have to exchange 1 note of 20 into 2 notes of 10. Now I will take 560 rupees. Now from hundreds, I will take out 4 notes of hundreds. The total change I have to give Sanvi is 532. Here is your change, Sanvi.
500, 520, 530, 532. Yes, it's perfect.
Here is your toy car.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Come again with your friends. Oof, I am tired. Now onwards, I have to keep the records of what I sold today. Transaction number 1. Item price rupees 275. Amount paid rupees 500. Change given rupees 225. Now I will reverse check. 275 plus 225 equals 500. Correct. Transaction number 2. Items price rupees 468. Amount paid rupees 1000. Change given rupees 532. Now I will reverse check. 468 plus 532 equals 1000. Correct.
Shopping is fun when we know subtraction.
Yes, subtraction helps us find the correct amount of change.
Thank you.